Have you ever wondered how to make money in the US? The land of opportunity certainly lives up to its name, but navigating the path to prosperity can seem like a daunting task. Fear not. This video will guide you through the process, step by step, to help you make your American dream a reality. First, consider the skills you possess. Do you have a knack for coding? Maybe you're a wizard with words or a master of marketing. Identify your strengths and think about how they could be valuable in the job market. It's not just about what you're good at, but also about what you enjoy. Passion and proficiency often go hand in hand. Next, polish your resume. This is your golden ticket, your personal billboard. It's your chance to show potential employers what you bring to the table. Make sure it's concise, error-free, and highlights your skills and accomplishments. Remember, it's not just about listing your past roles, but about demonstrating how you added value in those roles. Now it's time to start job hunting. Websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor are your virtual hunting grounds. Set up job alerts for the roles you're interested in and apply. Don't be discouraged by rejections. They're just stepping stones on your path to success. However, if the traditional job route isn't for you, consider entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can be a rewarding, though challenging way to make money. Whether it's opening a restaurant, launching an online store, or starting a tech company, the possibilities are endless. Perhaps you're more interested in investments. The stock market, real estate, and even cryptocurrency are avenues worth exploring. They come with their risks, but with careful research and prudent decision-making, they can be lucrative. Finally, always continue learning and improving. Whether it's taking an online course, attending a workshop, or reading up on industry trends, ongoing education is key to increasing your earning potential. To summarize, making money in the US involves identifying your skills, creating a stellar resume, exploring job opportunities or entrepreneurial ventures, considering investments, and committing to lifelong learning. It's a journey, not a sprint, but with persistence, passion, and a bit of savvy, prosperity is well within your reach. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. And now, armed with this guide, you're ready to take that step. So go forth, conquer, and start turning those dollar dreams into reality.